What's up, party people? Android Stud here, and I'm at Best Buy, and I am here in the flesh checking out the Galaxy Z Fold7. This thing is an absolute beast. The first thing I noticed is how thin and light this thing. Look at this. This thing is super thin closed, and it's even thinner open. I mean, this thing is absolute beauty. And as you can see, it has the bigger cover display, which I do like, because I know that the Z Fold7, they improved it. It was a little bigger from the 5 and the 4, but this one is definitely more usable as far as, you know, texting or using the outside device. So I think Samsung finally hit the mark close to where you can use this open and you can use it closed. Now I'm going to open it up and you're going to see how big this massive 8.0 inch display is. I mean, it is absolutely massive, and this thing only weighs 215 grams. When you pick it up open, man, it is like, it's like a piece of paper. I mean, it is just absolutely insane how thin it is. I mean, this thing is, oh man, it feels like a piece of paper. I mean, I'm literally telling you right now, this thing is just so thin. And then they improved the camera because they have a 200 megapixel camera on here, along with the 12 and the 10 megapixel. So you're gonna get some really good stuff here. This thing is absolutely beautiful. It is really, really nice. I do think that it's an upgrade from what the Z Fold 6 was. It's definitely the wider cover screen, bigger inner display, thinner, so it just feels really, really good in the hand. And that's the one thing that I love about Samsung. Sometimes they do upgrade some stuff, and sometimes they'll take 2 steps forward, 1 step back. There is no S Pen to support on here, so that's the one thing that is kind of a bummer for a lot of people. I never used the S Pen that much on the Z Fold7. I use them more on the Ultra devices, obviously on the Note devices, because the pin is right in the device, but this one does not have it. So, and the price went up $100. So, but there are some good trade-in deals where you can get a free upgrade to 512 for the price of a 256. Also, there's some links down in the description where you could reserve it and get a $50 credit, and some other deals on there if you use my link down in the description. So make sure you guys check that out. But yeah, man, that's the Z Fold7. I'm gonna get out of here. I wanted to check it out. They also have the Z Flip7. Not a big fan of this device, but it looks like it is improved. It does look nicer, cleaner. It feels a little more heavy duty than it used to. Also, the screen here is improved with the full screen all the way in the front around the cameras, which is nice. And then the new watches, the Galaxy 8 watch series or Galaxy Watch 8 series. So, but we're here for this boy. This is the big boy. This is the one I'm getting. I'm excited about it. I think it's legit. Very thin, very nice. It's a beast.